We want to use their
Aboliasio nesi akia toma napena noda kwana ibusa kit Aitopolonak Aitorotoma kwapeda pone diope lo adomna swam Susan Okalany High Court Judge International Crimes Division ko Kampala ngese balebe erasa Aboliasio noda edumana kinete atumunak aswamisho.
You saw what happened to Izukuru when she won some medals. You see the guys from Kapchorwa. Whenever they win medals, they make money. The government of Uganda provides them with some benefit. They build houses, they buy cars, poverty kind of disappears if you are very organized in that area. So for those of you who know that you have a talent, don't sit on that talent and say, we all want to be engineers, we all want to be... You might just become a professional footballer. And there's nothing wrong with it if you have your degree and you're still playing football. I'm encouraging those of you who know that you are gifted.
Balada Apolotebe Esisiak nesida dila kit ai murunokin ebe Aboliasio nesiche tomoboro nuda epedorta inakini case alemar kotoma inapeta nuda yulokini case ability kisela lukakwa puo.
When you do exercises, even for those of you who do not want to do sports at a more serious level, you need to do some kind of sports exercises daily, so that you can sleep well, have improved lung function, improved heart function, decreased stress, good mental health. People who do sports rarely commit suicide.
Aboliasio nesida kerek erai ichie kotoma inapeta nuda epedori aitogogong itunganan kedainakin ajaut kede au mission inapakina. Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East Koibuga Soroti.